We'll guide you through how to turn off Safari restrictions. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you've been using Safari and you're finding that you can't go and access every site you want, you're finding you can't get to it and it's limited and blocked. So what we can do is go and turn off these restrictions so you can then go and freely go and use Safari. We'll guide you through this step by step. So to get started, you actually need to come out of Safari in order to go and do this and go and open up the settings app on your iPhone like so. You can then press search at the bottom. You can go and type in Safari, but we can't actually do this in the Safari settings. So what you need to do is go and scroll down the main page here, and you need to go and find the option for screen time. And you can then go and tap there. Now in screen time, we want to go and scroll down like so, and you want to go and find the option for content and privacy restrictions, and we can go and tap there. Then in here, we need to go and find the option for App Store, Media, Web, and Games, and you need to go and find the option for web content. What you want to do is go and set this to unrestricted and maybe go and set to limit adult websites or only approve websites. So make sure you go and set it to unrestricted. You need to go and enter in the screen time passcode. If you didn't set this up, someone else did, they'll need to enter it. If you can't remember it, you can come back to the screen time settings, scroll down and press change screen time passcode, press change, and you can press forgot passcode and you can recover it with your Apple ID account. Now, when you go and use Safari, you should be able to go and access to websites and web pages that you want.